This comes with two different nozzles. This one, of course, is the high-powered nozzle you use for washing your car, things like that. This is the low-powered nozzle. This is the one that's the more high-powered nozzle that you would use for cleaning, use for washing your car, spraying things down, maybe your patio furniture, things like that. This is not really the one you would use for watering your flowers, but you can see this is the low setting. You use this, use this up here to get more power. So look, there we go. Now we have a more solid stream, and this, now I have it as far as it will go, and it's more solid stream. So you can see that would be perfect for washing your car. This is the low powered nozzle that you would use for watering your flowers, spraying the kids off, things like that, watering your garden. So these are the two different nozzles. Let me show you how easy these quick connects make it. You get two of the quick connects, two nozzles, and you also get two spare washers. The washers always seem to get lost or they dry rot, so that's awesome that they send you two extras. So we're going to pull this orange down, pull this up, and then to connect this, you also get two of these. To connect this, you're going to screw this into the hose. You're going to pull down the orange part and put this in. There we go, and it's ready to use. This one also has an adjustment on top so that you can do it at full power or you could do it lightly. So the first one is mist. There we go, that's a mist. Then we have angle. Let's turn the power up a little bit on that. There we go. Now we have an angle, vertical, center, full, soaker, cone, jet. So that one you could use for your car, your patio too, but the other one still has more power. And then we're back to shower. So let's put this on flat. I turn the power down so I can water my hanging basket without blasting it out of the pot. Once again, I love these two nozzles. We've been using them this weekend out in the yard for different things. They work great. I love the quick connect and disconnect. That is so much easier than screwing everything on.